Welcome back, it's Sujit with another video. Today I'm so excited. For the past 3 days I've been waiting for a package, and guess what? I just received it today. I'm so excited, so let's unbox. Let's see what's inside. I some air bubble packets, tempered glass, and this is what I'm so excited about. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm gonna get out of this box first. So this is what you get in the box, and this is a GoPro 10-liter dry bag, and the most awaited thing is the GoPro 7 Black Edition action camera. Right, that's nice. And guess what? I just got a free 3-way grip as well in this, you know. So as you can see, this is a 3-way grip. Yes, this is how it looks like. I will open it in a moment. Let me take a good look at this bad boy here, which is the 7 Black itself. So here is this new GoPro of mine, which I got some creative peripherals 1-year extended warranty, and I need to register it at, I don't know whether it is, see it. Okay, register your GoPro at www.ecreativeindia.com/GoPro warranty. So I think I have to register the product to get this warranty. And I got a passport program. I need to figure out what it is. Specs is 12 megapixel camera with 4K recording at 60 frames per second. Okay. It is 33 feet or 10 meter waterproof, and I have a live streaming. I need to download GoPro app on my iPhone. I need to use it. And this one is saying that it doesn't need a gimbal because hyper smooth is so nice to stabilize. Okay, now this side also have some specs. It says it's 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 frames per second recording, then 10 feet. Oh, this have a voice command where you can actually tell GoPro to switch on and switch off or take photo and stuff like that. And have a touch screen, 8x LOMO, have GPS, have HDR, and of course have hyper smooth and live streaming. Right, so let's open this. Okay, this is what's in the box thing. Okay, these are the things which I'm supposed to get in the box. Wait. Okay, so okay, that's in the box, nothing else. I'll keep this aside. And here is the camera itself. Okay, it's written 7 Black on the sides as well. So I'll open the box. See what else I get in the box. Here we have a guide which is which gives you some important information regarding the damage replacement, cloud backup, and discounts at GoPro.com. GoPro Plus, like I said, subscription service provided by GoPro as far as I know. Okay, so have a GoPro app, need to be downloaded for Android or iOS device. This have a cover, need to take it out. And this is how you need to put the battery, and how to plug the, okay, how to put the lanyard, and how to switch on the power. You need to how to start recording or mount it. Okay, then you have this cool looking stickers. and of course the instruction manual. Okay, then we get these two things. Okay, this is a curved mount. Basically you can put it in the helmet or the car. We have the curved surface. You can actually put this onto that surface and slide the GoPro in at this height. This one basically have, this is similar kind of attachment with the 3M sticker, which is flat by the way, and the charging cable. So I managed to take this out from here. I just open this screw, and this says remove. So basically it was here, so you just have to remove it from your attachment which comes in the box. So this is the camera itself. Wow, this is a beauty. I have written the 7 black on the side, and this is just a sticker, and the power button. On top you have the record button, and I'll take this in a moment from the case. This is the camera. You can see it's written 7 black. Hope you can see the 7 black, and the screen. Okay, so you can remove the sticker, which is really unnecessary. So you can peel the sticker off like that, little tortoise. Boom. And this is how you remove the battery cover. Just push this and pull it off, and just pops out. Let me take the battery. This is the battery cover. This battery is really small, you know. It's, if you compare the battery size, this is the sticker which is came within, and the size is like this small. Basically, we'll take it out from the cover. Let me figure out how we can put it. I hope it's this way. Yeah, this is like a kind of a pull tab for when you pop up. I mean, you pop in the battery like so. No, yeah, like that. Okay, you pop in the battery, and it fits it all the way inside, and you close it. Okay, I'll make a separate video to how to boot it and to start this one once I've explored all the things which I can do with it, and maybe I can put it in a separate video. So this is a quick unboxing of the Hero 7 Black Edition, which is the high-end version of GoPro at this point of time. Now I'll show you what other things which I got along with this camera. This was a bundle pack, so if you want this alone, you can buy this alone. So this is a 3-way arm, which is a tripod sold by GoPro separately, but since I got it as a bundle, so I got all these 3 things together. Basically I have got a GoPro, I got a bag which says GoPro, which is a dry bag, and this 3-way grip together. So I'm gonna keep aside the camera now, and I will unbox this bad guy. The knife. The box inside the box, as you see early, nothing much inside the box. And this is it's called the 3-way grip arm tripod by GoPro, and nothing else in the package, only the screw and the GoPro stick itself. So basically this extends the arms. You can extend like this, the full length. It will be like that. So you can, I don't know whether you guys can see that. Yeah. So you turn it loose, and you can put it in any position you want, maybe like that or maybe like this. So it's up to you how you want to put it. You have an unlock and a lock button right here. So I'm just going to take out the sticker, and what happens is when you push this, you can actually move the handle. You see how basically this works is you can attach the GoPro inside with the adapter which it came, by the way. Here, put like that, and then you can use any mount, because it's like this one coming right here. Wait a moment, let me put it really inside. I don't know, it's not aligned, it seems. Let me see. Okay, you need to really align it so it can tighten the screw. Align the screw, tighten up the screw, and here you go. You have, if you want to adjust the distance, then basically you put like that, and you shall have a kind of a holder. So basically you can take this out, unscrew this, and you can screw this inside like so. Then you yourself have a tripod. So this will act like a mini tripod. Put your GoPro over there. So this is how it looks like, and it's put as a tripod. Or you can actually hold it up and hold it down all the way. Remove this, put it back, and this will act like a handle. So cool, huh? Right. You can use this as like a normal handle to hold your phone, GoPro steady, and take shots or video or whatever you like, maybe photo. This can be used for vlogging, so nice and easy. So this is setup you get once you fix the 3-way mount along with your GoPro. Of course this comes with a case, but you can buy a third-party case if you want to put some attachments like microphone on this. And as I showed you earlier, this kind of an extender. Here's that look. So once I explore the things which I can do with the GoPro, I'll make a separate video how to use this thing. I got a big bag along with this. It's kind of a polythene bag, but it will come handy. This one comes with a adjustable band, so you can put on a shoulder like a shoulder bag and put all this stuff inside and carry. So this will really come handy. And the 3-way mount which you guys already saw earlier. So basically I got all of these stuffs: the camera itself, the GoPro mount, and this screen protector for your GoPro, screen protector, and this large bag. How cool is that? This was the small unboxing of my latest GoPro Black Edition. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.